hagelslag. I like it.
Krentenbollen.
Krentenbollen. I don't like that.
Hey everyone, it's Lisa.
And I'm Lena.
In this video we're going to taste Dutch food. The last time we did it, we fell in love with stroopwafels.
They're so good, they're my favorite. Yeah, and now I'm so excited what we're gonna see and what we're gonna taste. So let's
go.
Get started.
Let's see what's under there.
Ooh, I know that.
You have so many sweet things. Ooh. Oh wow. I think we have it in Germany as well. The cookies.
Yeah, on Christmas we can buy it. It's pretty cool. I like it. I like it.
We have those in Germany as well. I really like them.
It's good.
How many points from 10? I give it a 10 because I really like them.
Same.
Should we try the next one? Are those pancakes? Pufferfish. You want it?
I'm good.
Okay. Should I give it to you? Don't you want to try it?
That's good.
I like it. It's like pancakes with sugar over it. I really like it. How many points do you give it? I give it a 9.
I think 10.
10? 9 and 10. So, which one do you want to try?
Krentenbollen.
Krentenbollen.
Cool.
It's like bread with, I'm not sure how to call it. Raisins.
I don't like that. You can try.
Me too.
I would try it as well. Cool. I don't like raisins.
It's okay. But I don't like raisins, so it's not my favorite. How many points do you give it? 3? 3? It's not that bad, but I don't really like raisins that much. Do you want to try the next? I don't really know that one. I think that's the only one I don't really know what this is. It's like bread with, is it peanut butter? Peanut butter with chocolate.
Hagelslag. Hagelslag.
Should I try it first?
I can try it first. Okay then.
So much sweet.
You can have that one.
I want to try it. Right.
It's good. But not so healthy. I like it. I will do it at home. It's pretty cool.
But I think the hagelslag. I'm trying.
It sounds so bad when you say
I think we have it in Germany as well. It's like chocolate sprinkles for like when we do like cupcakes and stuff like that. We do it over it or cake. So I know it. Oh, when you do, how is it called? When you for Christmas the cookies. Then we do a lot of over.
It tastes a little bit like Snickers.
I've never tried it with peanut butter.
But when we're doing it, we do peanut butter and Nutella. But I think that's better.
I say that's one of the best ones because I know this stuff, but I've never tried this combination together. But I think stroopwafels are still my favorite.
Yep, that's good.
Okay, I'm gonna leave that here. I like it. So let us know what your favorite food is. Did you ever try this combination together? So let us know in the comments. Yeah.
Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and you can subscribe to the cool channel here. And see you next time.
Bye bye.